Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity Mutual Funds, where we will walk you through the process of investing in mutual funds with one of the largest and most reputable financial services companies in the world. First, let's start with the basics. What is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle that pools money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This allows individual investors to gain access to a broad range of assets that would be difficult to replicate on their own. Fidelity offers a wide range of mutual funds to choose from, with different investment objectives and strategies. To get started, you will need to open a Fidelity account, which can be done online or by phone. Once your account is open, you can browse Fidelity's mutual fund offerings and select the ones that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. When selecting a mutual fund, there are several key factors to consider. The first is the fund's investment objective, which can range from conservative income generation to aggressive growth. You should also consider the fund's expense ratio, which is the annual fee charged by the fund manager. Additionally, you will want to review the fund's past performance. But keep in mind that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Another important consideration is the level of risk associated with the fund. More aggressive funds may offer the potential for higher returns, but they also come with a higher level of volatility. On the other hand, more conservative funds may offer more stable returns, but with lower potential for growth. Fidelity also offers a range of tools and resources to help you get started with mutual fund investing. Their website and mobile app allow you to research and compare different funds, as well as track your portfolio and make changes as needed. They also offer a range of educational materials and investment guidance to help you make informed decisions. In terms of best practices, it's generally recommended to start with a diversified portfolio of mutual funds and to consider dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. This can help reduce the impact of market volatility and timing risks. Finally, it's worth noting that Fidelity offers a range of no-load mutual funds, which means that you won't have to pay a sales commission to purchase or sell shares. This can help you save money and keep more of your investment returns. By following these steps and considering these key factors, you can get started with Fidelity Mutual Funds and begin building a diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember to always do your research, consider your options carefully, and seek professional advice if you need additional guidance.